Turn left, then turn right on Mall Boulevard.
Okay, guys, as you heard, we've got an Uber Eats first of the day on Friday. Just sat there watching a few crappy garbage trips come through, was making another video.
Turn right on Mall Boulevard.
And we got one for $5, guys. 950 going 4.3 miles, and we're going to roll with it. You know why, guys? It's been a crummy bullshit week where Uber Eats has just wasted so much time pouring in multitudes of high mileage, low paying trips.
Just ahead, turn right on
and
Highway.
Not being able to make anything, and DoorDash has been doing it too. I've made a little bit here and there, but not much, guys. It's getting terrible. It's out of control. Something's got to give. Something's got to be done, guys, because it is just getting to the point where it's something I do and have always liked doing, and I question it for the life of me
turn left on Northern Pike,
why things have gotten so bad and why they don't get it. Why all these trips are going by and no one's accepting them and not doing something about it to pay us drivers right, to show us gratitude, to show us that they're trying to make things better. They're making money hands down, billions and billions.
Turn left on Northern
Uber
Pike.
Eats, DoorDash, other gig apps. And we can't stand for it. We're not here for that. So, with that being said, something's got to give. Something's got to get better. Changes for the better. Alright, pulling into $5, guys.
Turn right.
If I could talk to Derek Kashihari, the CEO of Uber, Tony Zhu, come on, CEO of DoorDash, I'd really let him have it.
Pick up.
Because I take what I do seriously. And it's an insult to drivers like you and me that they're trying to get us to settle for bullshit wages, high mileage, low paying trips that are never going to get delivered when we could have been making money on those. I'm at $5, guys. Stay with me. So we'll go deliver this. $11.03 as I was heading back towards the hot spot for the Patron Mexican restaurant. Going about 7.3 miles. Patron's Mexican restaurant's across from my hot spot here. But this is the way it's been starting out for me here, too. starting out like it's going to get busy, getting a couple, 2-3 trips, and then fizzling out with all that garbage that I cannot get. So
Turn left, then turn left.
So we're going to go in here and pick this up
Pick up on the right.
and get this over. It possibly will be ready.
In 600 meters, drop off on the left.
Okay, funny thing with my Uber Eats app, it's reverted back to meters instead of feet or miles, and so I don't know if there was a crazy update and it changed it, so six, 9, and 10. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Drop off on the left.
Okay guys, we're going to make this drop off here. Then we're going to go get the grub hub. Okay guys, we are approaching the rallies for this Grubhub pickup, and I'm gonna jump out and go in and get it because they don't like to do online orders. Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, they don't like to do those through the drive-thru. So I'll be going in to get it, and we'll get taking it over because it doesn't look like it's far from where I'm picking it up here. So we'll see what happens. So I don't need that anymore. I'm done with that. Says the pickup's for 12:10, so it should be ready because it's 12:16. So I'll go fully into the rallies. Be right back, guys. Okay guys, we got it on for $11.50. It's a stacked order for Jersey Mike's and Taco Bell right here as I was coming up the hill. So it's on DoorDash and I cannot refuse it. That'll put us at 5 for the got a bit of traffic here, but so we're going to pick our first one up. Couldn't have caught it at a better time. I'm glad they sent it right when they did, or I would have been up there. So I'm going to cut around here and go in and get the first one on this stacked order here. It was ready as soon as I went in the door there. Jersey Mike's is right up above me here. So we're going to go get that. Dude, what are you doing, man? Freaking nut. There's a whole line of traffic there, and he goes down where I'm supposed to be driving up. Comes flying around. Don't be one of them clowns, guys. Be safe doing this. We're at Jersey Mike's. I'll be right back. Jersey Mike's was ready as well on the pickup shelf, and going to be heading around to take these. This construction got everything fouled up. Traffic galore.
Head south toward US 22, Business West.
Once we get through the construction here, it's all the way down here to Sheets and up above, and then even up more. And then we'll be able to get down so far and probably run into it again because it's on the other side too. So Okay, guys, I decided to take what I caught today and I'm going to end my day. I just came by Wendy's to get me and my wife some lunch, and it is so bad out in the main area where I work out of Monroeville with the construction traffic on the highways, and I'd never get around properly. It's also Good Friday. It's also Friday before Easter. A lot of factors, and so yeah, I'm going to call it a day for today. And I want to be wasting all my gas and my time sitting in traffic and everything, and there's not enough trips there to pay me to do that. So I hope all you guys have a really great weekend. I hope you have a really great Easter, and I'm probably not going to get back out there, possibly tomorrow, but if not, Monday. So you guys all take care. I appreciate you all for being with me, and wish you all guys a happy Easter. And until I see you again, it's Dave, Renegade Geek Hustler. Take care.